Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a simple sambar rice and lovely banana wafers to go with it. I am planning this as a one dish meal, so we're going to do everything in this pressure cooker. So in your pressure cooker base, you can add about 3 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds, a few methi seeds, little bit of hing, and then we can add the vegetables. Here I have some sambar onions, capsicum, carrot, tomato, and also some curry leaves. Now stir fry all these vegetables for a couple of minutes. Next, add in some turmeric powder, salt, and this is a homemade sambar powder. I am adding 2 teaspoons. Mix all this again well together. Here I have half cup of rice which I washed and kept ready. Regular Sona Masuri raw rice. This is 1/4 cup of Tuvar dal which I had soaked earlier for 2 hours and kept. So we'll add this also. Mix everything well. Now I'll add in 3 cups of water. We'll allow it to cook for 3 whistles and then switch it off. See, the pressure has died down now. The rice and dal, everything is well cooked. At this stage I am adding some tamarind extract to it and gently give it a good mix and allow it to boil for another just 3-4 minutes till the raw smell of the tamarind goes away. I had soaked 1 amla size piece of tamarind in water and extracted the juice. See, it is well cooked now. All the flavors are blended together. We can switch this off. As a final touch, just add a teaspoon of ghee on top to give it added flavor. This is the raw green banana or the Nendrankai, which is meant for the chips. So first we will just peel it. Peel the bananas and keep them in water till use. Here I have kept some oil for heating for frying these chips. Here I have a teaspoon of salt. To that I am also adding about half a spoon of turmeric powder. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix this salt and turmeric powder very well and keep it ready. Now drain the banana from the water completely. We are going to fry it directly over the oil. Fry it over medium heat. Just allow it to cook for a minute or so. Now add a teaspoon of this salt and haldi water. When the bubbles die down and you can feel that the chips are hardened, you can drain it out from the oil like this. Hear this? Drain it out onto a paper towel. Make with the remaining batches also. Just put as many slices as it will hold. We are slicing it directly because then the pieces will not stick to each other. See, we have completed frying all the banana wafers. Very crisp, perfectly fried and not sticking at all to each other. Separate wafers. Our 1 pot meal sambar rice is ready. Homemade banana wafers are also ready. So we can just serve it out now. A very tasty, perfect lunch or dinner combo. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen. We'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.